In this video I'm going to show you how to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch. First go to System Settings, scroll down to Internet, select Internet Settings. Then select the Wi-Fi you want. Then scroll down and select Change Settings. And here at DNS Settings we need to switch it to Manual. I already entered the code, but you will need to enter the code 045.055.142.122. When you've done that, select OK and save. Then connect back to the network. And as you see, it did not connect to the internet, but that is exactly what we need, because if we go on next, because now we can switch to Google, continue to Google, and as you see guys, we are now in Google. So in Google type in Roblox. Done. Select Roblox. And that's it guys, now you can play Roblox. So I hope this video was helpful, and then I want to thank you for watching and see you in the next video.